Sure. Watch, I'm not even realize. No, sir. What you look at thiefing boy? A thiefing boy. Take your no time and pocket. Sir, you know see man have him have money in your pocket. Yeah. Oh, you thief, you see?
Yeah, dog on here, that little boy, that thief. Just see him thief out something out of a man's pocket. You don't know if it's a 5 bills. You have to be careful, little boy. Anyway, you see him. I call the police on him, right? A little boy.